son told me to come out here real quick. Look, this is just a temporary little read. Who in the chat room? Let's get in here. Let me get y'all in here. Hey, y'all here joining me? Yay, yay, yay. It's a good stuff happening on the horizon. Yeah, my God. That's my focus right now. I know Roses be like, damn, what about us? Damn, drop it where you fit in your life, for real. My God, is about that bad. I'm in love with it so much. Y'all get in here real quick. Let's get a chat cracking. Because y'all know I'll do it at any blink of a moment. Like, let's do this. You know, welcome to Amber's chat room, the place where we keep it real. I come with that tea bag, baby. Make sure you tell your friends to get with my friends so we can be friends, huh? Yeah, absolutely. Let me find out what's cracking with all my good people. Get in here. Alright. I hate I gotta do this. Is this another way? Yay. For some of y'all walked away from your options. My guns. Yeah. Y'all focus on that bag now? Huh? Y'all been listening? We need for everybody to tap in. We got a quick message, and I'm going to come back tonight with a bag of tea. Hey, baby. Hey, Unique. Yeah, what it do? I'm doing good. How are you? Okay, starting off with my guns. Okay, we got King of Swords, baby. We start out Gemini. Yeah. We talking about air signs. Yeah. My Geminians, y'all like a star. Y'all gotta cut somebody out, baby, because y'all ready to start a new beginning, huh? Yeah, baby. This person could be in a public eye. Like, this person, people love this person. Uh-huh. Yeah, hey. Yeah, the lovers. Air sign energy right there, baby. Yay, this guns, this rose, like this Geminian air sign. Let me turn this down a little bit, baby. I got that cup of tea. Let me find out it's about these air signs that are showing up real cold. Okay. So, yeah, you know, y'all Geminians, y'all ready to start a new beginning. It could be with a fire sign. For some, it could be an Aquarian. Yeah, like y'all love each other. Like, this person could be, you know, like I said, she could be like a star, you know, in the public eye. Yeah, baby. Yeah, you know, y'all making plans like you want to marry her, huh? You want to wife her? Yeah, you just waiting on the perfect moment to, you know, come to her. Yeah. And remember, y'all, this is a general read. You know, don't make it fit. If it fit, it fit. If it don't, it don't. But you know what? This person is stable. You know what I'm saying? Huh? Yeah, baby. That's my Earth sign, my Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, baby. But this girl can embody the this embodiment of the Earth sign. This person could be stable. He's waiting to be stable too and get his own place because, you know, he got his eye on this water sign. He don't like her. This Rose, yay. Yeah. Look at them. They looking right at each other though. Look. Absolutely. Yeah, they gonna work on it. Like, they might be stable as far as working together too. And like, this person gives her ideas, she gives him ideas, and that's how y'all gonna be so lucrative together by working together, baby. Let me tell you about what I thought about today, and he gonna support that, and I love that. Like, that's when I'm done. Y'all see I got my Amber Rose jacket on? That's my guns, my roses. Who else in here? Show me some love. Yeah, but this person could be blocked and guarded. Like for some of y'all Guns N' Roses, this person could just have got out of jail or been out of jail or somebody's been hurt from a past relationship. I see the Empress card. Yeah, but you don't play with the Empress. Are you gonna be looking like this? Because the Empress don't play no games. She's gonna go get her. She's a star. Yeah. Yeah, some of you girls, y'all walked away from y'all options. Yeah. But y'all looking at a water sign. If you're a fire sign, you're looking at a water sign. If you're a earth sign, you're looking at a water sign. If you're an air sign, you're looking at a water sign. Yeah. Five of Cups, baby. Some of y'all said about a third party situation, but y'all missed this person that walked away. Yeah. What else? Y'all know I'm gonna come back with it. Ooh, that's a lot of cards. Let's see how in my dress. I'm gonna ooh la la on today. Yeah. Yeah, y'all looking at this water sign. She's single, you know, she's stable, she look good, she smell good. Yeah, some of you guys want to send her a message. Do y'all hear the lovebird? Like it's right above me. Hello. Yeah. Y'all want to work on it. Yeah, you trying to manifest her. Because she make you happy. And for some of y'all, she might not live in your city, but you ready to come see her. You ready to come in fast. It's like this love relationship came in pretty fast. So, yeah, good. Yeah, y'all didn't have passion. Like, you like that passion. You know what I'm saying? Like, you was in a third party situation. Now it's decision time. Like, shit. Ain't no rose ever freaking compared to who I'm with. But hey, baby, out of all of them, baby, see that bright star? She's the one. Good morning. Y'all look at her like she's so stable. Like she's an image of you. Like y'all could be thinking about getting her pregnant or some stuff like that. But you know, she's wifey. Good morning. I like it, gun.